What's going on, guys? Got my box of Topps Diamond. So I'm going to open this. Nervous about it. It's been real hit and miss, and tons of redemptions. This feels pretty light, so I'll probably get at least one redemption. But we shall see. Wish me luck. I like this box because it's got my boy Mariota on it. But we shall see. These cards look awesome on camera, the ones that I have seen opened. So, let's see about that. And there is a redemption on the back, per the norm. My first card, Tim Brown, numbered out of 10. Man, these cards look sweet. Numbered out of 10, Tim Brown. 1 of 10. Sick. Next card is a Justin Hardy. Sick patch. Blue ink. Numbered out of 50. I don't know how well you can see that. But numbered out of 50. Blue ink. Patch auto. And the last card, redemption for rookie autograph jumbo patch, Devin Funchess. Rookie autograph jumbo patch, Devin Funchess. So not too bad. Got a nice Justin Hardy and a Tim Brown. So there you go. Topps Diamond.